package for a month. So let's get it out of here. I need some cutters. Damn, this thing pretty tight, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Boom. Mother. Ta-da. What's in here? Terrible toys. God damn, that's crazy. I don't even want to open it. We finally got it. So yeah, as you guys know, I've been waiting on my engine for a couple months. Finally got it. It's for this car. No, I'm just playing. It's for my G, you know. But yeah, finally got the engine. Quick little unboxing. You know, I'm just trying to drop videos again. Guys, I've been waiting on this. I finally got it. Yee!